Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can make use of toggle button for multiple selection. Here we are going to learn how we can use toggle button for exclusive selections in React with Material UI. So how we can do this, we are going to check here. Here we have this, so I just try to modify as per the requirement. So I say here typography, I say variant of this typography would be of H4, and under this I want to display this, and I say this is toggle button alignment example, or we can say exclusive example, exclusive selection, and I import here typography. It is from Material UI like this. Now what I need to go to the website. I need to make it in the center also. So I say alignment to center, save this. You see we have in the center. Now you see I want to create this kind of thing. So here you see that for creating this I need these icons: format, alignment, left, alignment, center, right. I can also have these icon from here. I can select here format, alignment like this. All the icons I have, one by one I can select and copy. All are similar things. Here similarly I am just copying here from a center place, a single place. So I copy this, justify also, 4 type of things are there. Now copy this, and we should go to the coding, and here I should import it. Then I import here toggle button also, toggle button and toggle button group that I require. Save this. Now after this, here I need toggle button group, so I say toggle button group like this, and here I need to create toggle button, so I say toggle button, and here I give name. The value of this toggle button is left, and area label is also I say left, and here I define a icon that I say format align left icon like this. Now copy this, paste 3 times. Now one by one, that would be center, area label is also center, then this should be center, then we should have right, this should be right, and this icon should be of right. Then we have justify, here also I say justify, and here I also say justify like that. Save this. Now you see the output here we have like this. We modify this also. So I say the color of this is error, right, like red color. And then I say value of this would be, I say format, yeah, alignment, and here I say on change equal to, I say set, I say get alignment method we will create, and here I say the margin from the top empty is 2. So save this. Now I have to remove these error one by one. So I say const alignment set alignment equal to use state, and I need to import this also like that. Now I need get alignment and set alignment also. So create a get alignment, and here I say in this get alignment we will have first parameter of event, and second would be of alignment value that we are going to select. So I say set alignment, and here I say alignment. Save this. Now remember that by default it is array, By default, this toggle button group, this alignment, this is array, but I want to make it a single one because left, right, center, this left, this center, they should be selected one only, not all we can select. So that's why I need to make it exclusive. So I say exclusive like this, save this. Now by putting this attribute here, this toggle button will use only a single value, means at a time only one value will be selected, not all. So we will have a left, center, right and justify, not all we have. Now we should have the text. So I say typography, I say variant is body 1, here I can say alignment equal to, and I say alignment like that, and here I say lorem multiply by 3. So we have a text which is required here like that. Now we try to see this. So we have some problem. Variant body, it is working, but what is the problem? We should check here. I say console, the value which we put in alignment is invalid, so that is a problem. So we check once again what is the problem here. So that alignment should have a string value. So I say that is a string right now, save this, and value would be right, justify, center. We see now it is coming. Now I say it is left, so it convert into to left. Then I say center is coming into center. I say right, right coming into right. I say justification, the justification is coming. And we may also have one more thing. Here I say sx equal to, and I say mx into 2. Save this. Now you see we have a size space from both the sides. So I say mx3, save this. Now you see if I say left, change into left side, then center, then right, then justified. You see, so by like this way we can use exclusive selection. Remember that now in this value, alignment value which we are having here, we having a single value at a time. The value may be left, value may be right, value may be center, may be justify. Only one value will come at a time. So it is not a array, it is a single value. So that single value we are passing here as a alignment, and because of the value is left, right, center, automatically the text will convert into the alignment. So that is the use of toggle button exclusive selection. So that's all in this video. If you learned something and you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.